Hello friends, so in this video right now I'll show you how to use talkback on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. Then from here you have to scroll down to additional setting. Here is the additional setting, so you have to click on it. After you have been click on it, scroll down to accessibility. Here it is, so click here. Then here you have to click move on to vision. After that, here is the talkback, so you have to click on it. Then here it says to use talkback, so if you want to use the talkback, just click on this icon and you will be able to use the talkback on your mobile phone. You just need to click on this icon. Here the talkback has set on. Okay, you have to click double like this. Okay, if you want to use the talkback, I'll show you. Back button, then 1 2 1 2 1 2. If you want to scroll, you can scroll with 2 fingers. Okay, like this. With 1 finger it's impossible. Okay, with 2 finger it's possible, so you have to use with 2 finger. Back button 2 times you have to click. 1 1 2. Home button also same. Okay, impossible. See, it has been possible, right? If you want to add, it's very easy to off the talkback. You just the volume up plus button and the volume minus button, you just click here for the second. You have to press it for 5 seconds. You have to press for the 5 seconds and the talkback will be off. If you want to off, no need to move on setting, no need to move on accessibility, no need. Okay, you just this one, no, this plus button and the minus button, scroll like this and it will be off. Okay, so friends, if you loved the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.